What up, gang? Welcome back to the channel. Lynn Lenses Lifestyle. We out here in Baytown. Bucky's. At the almighty Bucky's. Check out what we just picked up. Oh, 96. Might be a 95. 96, 95. One of them. Yeah, boy. Got me another one. Actually, the lens is all right. Another Impala. That's how we riding. If it ain't a Chevy, man, I don't park too close on this side. Another Chevy, you know what I mean? Baytown, big truck driving dually, you know what I mean? Baytown, got old Poppy with me. What up, Poppy? Poppy ride out here with me to go pick up the old Chevy. Check out that dash. No cracks in the dash. Door panel, flawless. Got the more Buick Roadmaster seats in there. I wish it had the regular seats, but it's all good. Everything stopped. It ain't been registered in a long time. Since 18. Cypress Ridge.
Yeah, so this one?
Picked it up in Houston, you know what I mean? $22 gallons. That ain't even a full tank right there. But we just put a note in there, you know what I mean? Get us back to the house. So what you think about the old Chevy? Let me know. Hit it in the comments what y'all think. Should I freak it out? Should I do something with it? Or what? Let me know. Lynn Lenses Lifestyle. We out. What up, gang? Welcome back to the channel. Lynn Lenses Lifestyle. 96 Chevy. It's the kind of day it is today. A windy 96 Chevy type of day. You heard me? Check out that dash. Dash is good. We got this old parts car. Door panel. Dashboard is a wreck on the top end. Horn work. Lights don't work. Back seats. Headliner. It's straight. It's straight. Driver door. Let's see. Battery dead already. I need to let it charge up. 096 bubble I picked up. What I should do? Fix it up. Strip it down, pour it out. What y'all think? I got some Impala rims in the back. Engine. It's good. It's been sitting up for a long time. Put jumper cables on it. Jump box. Shut this down. Everything's intact. Where it should be. It's for sale. You want it, come to get it. Transmission bad. What's y'all think? 96 Chevy Impala. Chevy Caprice. So Caprice, you know. I got a battery on charge because I got the doors open. But it's straight, it's alright. What y'all think? What y'all think? '96 Chevy. Old parts car. I need that door panel. I need the hood hinges, dashboard. I want to swap out the dash. So I'm just gonna strip it down, man. Now my junk box just started. I just started this car. I'm thinking, okay, I'm shooting a video, fire right back up. It ain't happening. Damn. Little jump box ain't no joke. It's supposed to start right on up. That V8 5.7. This don't look good. To have this hose crimped like that. I don't know what kind of hose that is. It's like a vacuum hose or something. Say the cooler hole. Alright, let's see what she'll do. She should start right up. It's for sale. Come and get it. Bring me 25 for it, you can have it. This battery is gone. Alright, gang. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Share the videos. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you want me to do with the old Chevy. Caprice, should I throw a tranny in it? Fix it up, do something with it. Strip it down or let it go. Holler back, let me know.